Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming your Gigabyte motherboard and that Windows supports Secure Boot. This matters because Vanguard checks at boot. Once you've backed up configs, reboot into UEFI/BIOS using DEL or F12. Navigate to the Boot or Security tab and locate Secure Boot. Don't change anything yet. Make note of current boot mode, Legacy versus UEFI. You need UEFI enabled for Secure Boot. If boot mode is Legacy, switch to UEFI now to proceed. This enables Vanguard's verification chain. You now perform the detailed steps. With boot mode set to UEFI, enable Secure Boot in the BIOS Security or Boot menu. Choose Standard or Windows defaults for keys so the OS recognizes signatures. This is crucial because Vanguard requires Microsoft-signed boot components. Once enabled, save changes and exit. Windows will boot and may adjust drivers. If Windows fails to boot, revert the setting and check boot entries. Make sure drivers and firmware are updated before trying again to avoid signature conflicts. You finish by letting Windows stabilize, then open the Riot client and reinstall Vanguard if Valorant still shows the secure boot error. The installer validates the environment. Next, update your Gigabyte BIOS and apply all Windows updates because firmware mismatches often cause failures. Once done, launch Valorant. If Vanguard still complains, run msinfo32 to confirm secure boot state is on, and secure boot state is on with UEFI. If it's off, return to BIOS. That check solves most lingering issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.